Hello class, today we are not going to meet, but you will be given this activity, which is to answer a personality test. This is a career test, no? The RIASEC test. So the test will help you determine your interest, your skills. No? This might help you also in terms of finding your organizations or your companies when the time comes that you will apply after your graduation, because the problem God after you graduate, you might be a little bit puzzled of what organization you want to apply after you graduate. So this test will guide you so the fact that you are already at the end of the program of your chosen course. So for example, if you enroll in the BIT, so you might be thinking, yes, I have this major, but for example, Comtech, I have the major of Comtech, I have a major of electronics technology, my major is drafting. So the next question there is what type of organization that I want to be a part of. Okay, so this test might help you. Okay, so in this test, the steps are very easy. You're just going to fill in the circle. Okay, so you have there, read a statement. If you agree with the statement, fill in the circle, and there are no wrong answers. Okay, so for example, in statement number 1, okay, so I like to work on cars. Okay, so do you agree with that? Is that true to yourself? Okay, so if that is true, then you can fill in or you can shade the circle. If that is not true, then you can just leave it blank. Okay, so in short, you're just going to fill in or shade the circles to the statements that corresponding to the statements that is true about you. Okay, so after answering the test, you are going to score. So how to score? Okay, so you have there at the bottom, so RIASEC. Okay, RIASEC. Okay, so you are going to tally the scores. So you count down, you count how many shaded circles in this row. For example, in R, so your shaded circle in R is 2, for example, so you write down 2 here. Okay, same with the other rows. Okay, and then the same thing with the other column. So after that, you are going to find the grand total, which is you're going to add the 2 components here. For example, R1, R2. Okay, you're going to add and then you put it here. Okay, so meaning to say, if you have 2 here and then you have 3 here, okay, so 2 plus 3 equals 5, so you are going to put it here. Okay, and then next, you are going to identify, or you are going to put the scores here and then identify the top 3 highest scores. Okay, so for example, if your top 3 highest score is I or A or S, okay, you're going to put it here. Okay, and then below or in the next page, you can actually see the description of your result. For example, if you are a realist or realistic, so you can read this one. Okay, if you are conventional, then this is the description. And then afterwards, you are going to write an insight about your test result. Okay, so insight, it's up to you. What are your realizations? How do you think the test can help you in your future endeavor? So next also is how are you going to use the test in your application in the future. Okay, so it depends on you. What are your insights? And then after that one, you are going to upload this one, only the sheet that is showing the result. This is not included and then the insight in Moodle, so that is worth 50 points. Okay, so I hope that you can do this task and have a good day.